To measure resistance, you will need to connect your leads into the correct ports on your multimeter. Your red lead goes into the port marked with ohm. Your black lead will be plugged into the port marked with COM. Before taking any measurements, you need to set your multimeter dial to measure resistance. Rotate the dial on your multimeter until the dial is pointed at the ohm symbol. On all multimeters, ohm is the symbol for resistance. The ohm symbol stands for ohms, the unit of measurement for resistance. To measure a component's resistance, the component must be disconnected from the circuit. Before disconnecting the component, turn the power off. Treat the circuit as if it still has power until you measure the voltage. If there is 0 voltage, then you can continue. The multimeter measures resistance by running a small test voltage through the component. When the component has power running through it, the multimeter cannot read the test voltage. This prevents the meter from accurately reading resistance.